Just in, according to Euronews, Oxford English Dictionary has chosen their 2023 Word of the Year. Rizz. Reporting on this hot topic is Micah from the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove. So, Rizz. Most of us have heard of it before, but for those of you who don't know, an article in the New York Times discusses how Rizz is short for the word charisma, which is one's ability to charm or woo a person. However, the real question is, how much Rizz do each of us really think we have? DGS PE teacher Adam Peterson claims to have absolutely zero Rizz.
I believe that's a negatory on the Rizz for me. I don't think I possess the Rizz.
Although Peterson declares he has no Rizz, his go-to pickup line is beloved by many, as it is most commonly heard on the television show, Friends.
How you doing?
I think it's safe to say that this heartthrob line worked, as Peterson has been married to his wife, Heather, for many years.
I first met my wife in driver's ed certification classes, and oh, so much Rizz. Just the natural Mr. Peterson charm, I guess. Yeah.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like Rizz and charm go hand in hand. So, Mr. Peterson, give yourself more credit next time. You're also not alone in feeling this way. In a BuzzFeed series that Tom Holland took part in, he claimed to also have limited to no Rizz. However, Holland also happens to be happy in love and is dating Zendaya. How about a double date this Valentine's Day? Alright, moving up on the Rizz ladder, we have senior Sophia Johnson, who believes that she has mid-level Rizz.
I would say that I have intermediate Rizz because I'm not like bagging someone every single day, but I feel like on like a conventionally attractive scale, like I'm somewhere in the middle. So I feel like I'm fine if I were to try, but I really leave it up to other people.
As Johnson said she likes to leave it up to other people to do the work, she mentions who she thinks has the best Rizz at DGS.
Jake in Merced has the best Rizz because he got my girl, Emily Yonker, and I think that says a lot about what Rizz can do for your connections.
Although Emersic does have a girlfriend, not all Rizzy people have to be in a relationship. In fact, some say that the best way to obtain more Rizz is just by being yourself, single or not.
I think that you can gain more Rizz by being confident with yourself.
The Rizziest people tend to have the most confidence, and this is certainly true based on an experience Johnson has recently gone through.
And I was talking to a guy, and he said that he would pay $8 on an airplane for Wi-Fi to talk to me.
$8 can buy you 2 4-for-4s at Wendy's, and here we have people who are willing to spend that money on love instead. Now that's Rizz. And here we have reached the top of the ladder. Now his name isn't Jake Emersic, but he does get called Krizzler. Senior Chris Williams, everyone. Williams proudly claims to have extreme Rizz and agrees with Johnson that staying true to yourself is the best Rizz an individual can obtain.
Genuine, and being who you are as a whole, being true to yourself. And then obviously, you're not going to win every battle, but hey, it's a lesson.
Along with being genuine, Williams prioritizes one-on-one conversations with partners and feels as though atmospheres that encourage this are special.
One-on-one conversations, you getting to know each other, stuff like that. Probably at parties too, just making them focus on you instead of everybody else.
Now, although Williams seems to have a long history of Rizz, it was only recently that he actually figured out he possesses it.
Because one of the prettiest girls in the school came in, you know what I'm saying, gave me a compliment and said I got the best Rizz, so.
Awkward. Anyways, peace out and Rizz up. Thank you for listening. Tune in next time. In Downers Grove of the Blueprint News Network, I am Micah Olson.